Fire the bomb!
Hey guys.
Alright, you want to light one for me?
Hold on,
Wait for it. Alright, cool. Light one for me.
These are the mini grenades.
Light one, light one, light one. What the heck? Who did that?
What the heck?
Did he do that?
I see your hand.
Dude, that went off in his hand. Be careful. Stay back, okay? Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
Who was that behind us?
I don't know. I think it went off in Bobby's hand, though.
No, he was trying to blow up in his hand. It was too late. Throw it! Oh! Oh, that's a great one! Oh! Come on! He was right under it! He was right under it!
Throw it out far.
Connor, did any hit you yet?
Throw this one out far, right?
Connor, did any of them hit you yet?
Did you put it out?
I think he put it out.
Throw it far. He wants you to throw it far.
It's hard to throw it.
You got any big ones left? Yeah, throw it out far.
Oh, wow, that's good.
Go, Connor.
Try in the tube, see what happens.
You're trying to tube my gun. Connor, did that hit you?
Go long.
Connor, did that hit you?
Well, back up, just in case. Come back here.
Oh, I'm not afraid of it.
Come back here. What if if it blows up the wrong way?
Oh, that's a great
That's the way we
idea.
should have been doing it.
Can I get another one?
Yeah, do it with the tube. It's